What's up guys, Trivin Geek here back with another video, and today I'm going to be having my hands on the Geofilter. That is, you can make your own Geofilter for the Snapchat application. If you're going somewhere and you want to have a personalized Geofilter for yourself or for the whole community, then you can make it using the Adobe Illustrator or the Adobe Photoshop. So I'll be making the one from the Adobe Photoshop, and with that being said, let's get started. So opening up the Google Chrome, and now we'll be going to the www.snapchat.com. So here we are, and we'll get the options, and we have that home Geofilter. So we'll go to Geofilters, and we'll get two other options from that. That is for the community and on demand. You have to pay for the on demand. It is for yourself, for any event or any kind of thing for yourself, and for the community anyone can use it in the area you have selected. So click on create now. First we have the steps, the instructions, that it should be in PNG. Just to show these, it should be in 1080 by 1920 pixels, and the size must be under 300k. If it exceeds, then you can always compress it using any of the online applications. So click on next, and you're done. Now heading to the map itself, we have searched for Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, which is in New Delhi near Connaught Place. So I'll be making one for that place itself as suggested by my friend. So we'll just look at where it is. So here you have this place I'll be making for that. So you have to fill these details and just download the template for Photoshop or for Illustrator. So I'll be using the Photoshop, and I have the template here. So just close this up, and let's move on to the Google. Search for any image that you want to add in the Geofilter. So I'll be searching for Nishan Sahib, or for maybe Gurdwara Sahib. So I have this image which I think I should add to the filter. So this is not any authorized or any image which you should not use. So rasterize the layer and then remove the backgrounds. As it says, it should be PNG. So I have an image, sample image, to see if the faces or the main object is hidden or not. So have the text, change the font according to your favorites. I'll be having the have heart one. Okay, so here you have it. Change the color which one you want. So blue and orange matches the color of Gurdwara and the Sikh communities. So we'll be making the text as the arc under the dome. And now we'll be coloring the parts. There is some white borders out there, so we'll be totally coloring it in blue color.
Invincible.
Just ignore those messages. My PC is messed up, really slow. I'll broaden up this underlining thing. I think it's really small for the text itself. I'm trying this tool for the first time, because never had the chance of using it before. For the first time using it, so if I mess up, then please forgive me. Now this actually looks like a Snapchat Geofilter for the community. So changing the name to whatever you like and then save it, smallest and slowest. So if your file is exceeding the size limit, sorry for my phone, then compress it using compresspng.com. Directly go to the snapchat.com domain, go to geofilters, create now for the community. Select the area for which you want to have the geofilter. So I've located the select the compressed one and add your name, emails, and why do you want to make one for this. So anything which you want to write. So any additional notes, then also you can add and Bangla Sahib, I'm not a robot, obviously I'm not. So submit it and you'll get the thank you message from Snapchat. So thank you for submitting a geofilter. The filter will be reviewed by Snapchat team and you will receive an email if it has been activated. So I'll get the email as soon as I get it. I'll tweet it to you so that if you guys go there, you can definitely use it. And if you upload that photo on Twitter, then make sure to use the hashtag made by money so that everyone knows that I have made it. Even if you don't do that, it doesn't matter, but if you do, I'll be really happy and I will be thinking that someone has liked my work. So that's it for this video, guys. Drop a like to show some support, and if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel because I bring these kind of videos every single week. And if I get late sometimes like this time, then please forgive me and I'll try to bring awesome content every time. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.